This video guide will give you help to get rid of the pop-ups that are related to the site Ccessfullydevel.xyz. It's a website that tries to trick you into subscribing to its push notifications so that it can send notification spam directly to your desktop or phone. The peculiarity of these pop-ups by the site Ccessfullydevel.xyz is that mainly they target Windows browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, even though browsers in Mac computers may be also infected by something similar. The website may display pretty misleading messages that would try to encourage you into clicking on the Allow button. For instance, they could tell you that you need to type allow to verify that you are not a robot, or to help you watch some video, or to download some file, or for some other reasons. But you should not click on the allow button. This is dangerous because this will immediately hijack your browser. You may start facing the great number of ads that will be attacking your screen. To fix these issues and to remove these ads and to block these ads from attacking your computer, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and in Permissions select Notifications. Research the sites allowed to send notifications. Once you find this malicious site, Ccessfullydevel.xyz, click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list. I also recommend you to additionally examine your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application and it will help you to detect and delete other threats that might be the part of your Windows computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.